Okay, so today I'm going to show how to make a collaborative map. And I'm starting at Google Maps while I'm doing this. And you can actually also start at Google Earth to do this, but I'm first going to show you this route. So you'll see that I'm logged into my Google account here on Google Maps. Okay, when you look at your side panel here, you're going to click this menu button in the top left corner. It's the three horizontal lines. You're going to navigate down to Your Places, and then you're going to click Maps, and then you are going to navigate down here to, see, it's a little hard to see in my window. Maybe I can make this a little bit smaller. Just one second. Okay, you're going to navigate down to Create Map. So now you are in map creation mode. You are in cartography. So you will navigate to a place. So in this case, let's just say Dunedin, New Zealand. And then you say, okay, I want to add this pin to my map. Now, if you double click the actual title up here, you can rename this. So we'll name this a test map. We'll save it. And you can rename this layer. Let's see, points of interest. Okay. Now, you can share this map, and you can change access rights. Now, this is just like if you're doing a Google Doc. You can click change here, and anyone who has the link can access it. And then even more, just like in a Google Doc, you can say that they are allowed to edit. You can also make it public on the web, but for now we're just going to say anyone with a link. Okay, so now it's going to say a link to share, and then it says allows editing. So you can either copy and paste this link, Control C, or right click, or you can invite people by their names and addresses. And you can also you can set this to prevent editors from changing access and adding new people. So if we just go to my email account, I'll send it to myself, test map. Okay. So I sent it, and I click the link. And now whoever has access to this should be able to create a point. And your points you can even edit by, you can do colors, you can add icons, and you can also do a style down here. You can edit it this way. You could write a note. You could say, one of my faves in New Zealand. Okay. So that way it gives you, let's say, you're asking for people to say where they're from. You can give them a note to talk about, what it is that's, unique about their home place or something like that. And you could even have people to upload an image from that place. And all of this information would be attached. You can get directions there too. Okay, and so there's also another way that you can create a collaborative map, and that's through Google Earth Pro. And this is free to download, but I just wanted to show you that this may be of interest. Let's say you're doing something a little more complex with the mapping. You can create folders here. So I'm logged into my account. And if you go to My Places and click Folder, you can say test locations. Let's say we just do that. Okay. And let's say we are going to search for Nashville, Tennessee. Okay. It's here. And let's just title this pin music. So again, every time you find a location, you're dropping a pin. And you could see here, because we were in the test locations folder, that's now where that pin is. Okay, so now we can save the place as. So if you right click on this folder, or if you just wanted to share the pin, you just save the place as, and let's say I saved it to my desktop. You're going to save it as a KML file. Okay, save. And now what you can do is if you go to your map that we were creating, so it should show up underneath your maps when you go to look for it. So we can see here that it was created. Here's Dunedin. We say open in my maps, and now we're back to editing. You can actually add a layer. Let's say you made something in Google Earth, and you can import. Let's select a file from our computer, do desktop, and I'm looking for the KML file. Here it is. No, that's a different KML file. We don't want that one. Here it is. Okay, so this is our Nashville pin. And so now we have New Zealand, and we also have our KML file, which was Nashville. It's shown here. So that's how you make a collaborative map. And if you have any other questions, you can comment on the YouTube video, and I'm happy to help. Thank you.